Welcome to Bike Shift, where advanced machines and next-generation technology take center stage. Today's focus is the 2026 JF-17 Thunder, a modern multi-role fighter jet that represents the future of aerial combat for developing air forces. Designed through joint collaboration, the JF-17 continues to evolve as a cost-effective yet highly capable combat aircraft, and the 2026 variant pushes those capabilities even further. The 2026 JF-17 Thunder features refined aerodynamics aimed at improved stability and agility at both high and low speeds. Its lightweight airframe, blended wingbody design, and updated composite materials enhance maneuverability while reducing radar signature. The jet retains its compact profile, making it well-suited for short runways and rapid deployment missions. One of the most significant upgrades in the 2026 JF-17 is its advanced avionics suite. The aircraft is equipped with a modern AESA radar system, providing superior target tracking, longer detection range, and enhanced resistance to electronic jamming. Inside the cockpit, a full glass display with large multifunction screens, a wide-angle holographic HUD, and hands-on throttle and stick controls deliver exceptional pilot awareness and reduced workload during combat operations. Powering the 2026 JF-17 Thunder is an improved turbofan engine optimized for reliability and fuel efficiency. This upgrade delivers stronger thrust, better climb rates, and sustained supersonic performance. The aircraft excels in both air-to-air and air-to-ground roles, offering high agility for dogfighting while maintaining stability during precision strike missions. The 2026 JF-17 Thunder is designed as a true multi-role platform. It supports beyond visual range air-to-air missiles, short-range dogfight missiles, precision-guided bombs, anti-ship missiles, and standoff weapons. With multiple hardpoints and advanced fire control systems, the jet can be rapidly configured for interception, ground attack, maritime strike, or reconnaissance missions. What makes the 2026 JF-17 Thunder especially significant is its balance of performance and affordability. It offers modern fighter capabilities without the high operational costs of heavier fifth-generation aircraft. This makes it an attractive solution for air forces seeking technological independence, flexible mission capability, and long-term sustainability. The 2026 JF-17 Thunder stands as a symbol of smart engineering in modern aerial warfare evolution. With upgraded avionics, enhanced combat systems, and improved performance, it continues to prove that advanced fighter technology can be both effective and accessible. Stay connected with Bike Shift for more deep dives into next-generation machines shaping the future of defense and mobility.